Nice.
Oh yeah, I did. Oh, camera is open and you just like.
Yeah, you have to. You have to. Nice.
How do you get my number?
I texted the driver.
Ah, okay. I was like, you take somebody's phone and you text me then. So like this,
Oh yeah.
the car.
car.
Maybe you have seen before.
No, we haven't been here before.
Not here, the card, wedding cards.
No, we actually haven't seen the cars, no. Because we just got invited by like, please come to our wedding, when we went to a wedding.
Okay.
So we have seen them in Denmark, but we haven't seen them here in
Like
India.
this.
Yeah. That's crazy. You can have a whole street just selling cards.
Yeah, just because we invite so many people.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that is
Like
true.
1,000? Ooh,
Yeah, it's,
quite a lot.
yeah, it is. It's crazy.
Are you married?
Me, no, not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
But yes, I will. So what do you do for you?
When I'm at home, I work in a beauty web shop.
Oh wow, that's why I can imagine you have very good nail extensions. Good makeup skills.
Yeah, so
I observe as a woman.
I work with makeup and skincare and hair care.
It's seriously so good.
Yeah.
So good. Even here in India right now, skincare product from Korea is very getting
Yeah.
famous.
Also in Denmark.
Oh really?
Yeah, K-beauty is so
So famous. So good. Even I do. So,
What
they're
is?
so beautiful. Ooh. So now this is straight. We will take exit from the shoes market.
Shoes market.
Yes.
Okay.
So here, this is the mix of the market. Here you will see everything.
Yeah. Okay.
Food
Yeah.
and some local sites as well.
Nice.
Electronic, every kind of market.
We have never been here before.
And you here for work mainly?
For what? For 1
For
year?
work.
Yeah, for work. Yeah.
What kind of work you do?
I work in civil engineering.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So how many countries you have been, both of you?
Countries
Yes.
we have been to. It's not that many. We've been to most of Europe, but we haven't been in Asia before.
Oh,
So
okay.
yeah. So
This
this
is first.
first time. Yeah.
Yeah.
Please visit Korea. It's good.
Yeah.
And how about India? What are the places that you are going to see next year?
So
You have a whole year.
yeah, we've been to Jaipur.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
Lucknow.
Lucknow also. Yeah. So we plan on going to Kerala.
Oh wow!
Yeah. And then we wanted to go to Goa, but we're not so sure.
Not
we-
now. It's not good because it's already very cold.
Yeah.
Go in the summer because next year also June, July,
Yeah.
summer time.
Okay.
But be aware.
That's the thing, yeah. We
Very,
heard-
very, because for us also, like we are local, but local for Delhi. But whenever we go for the, like, just to explore there,
Yeah.
that time also it's to be alert, to be safe.
That's the thing. That's what we've heard also. People keep saying, and then we thought like, maybe we don't want to go. But
And how about Uttarakhand? Please visit there also. Very good.
which?
Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is like north high portion.
Oh, close to the Himalayas. Oh
Very
yeah.
good for meditation and all if you want
yeah.
to feel the nature culture.
We wanted to go to Ladakh
Oh wow,
or Sikkim.
this is so good.
Yeah, yeah.
This is the good idea.
Yeah. We
I
think
can
so.
support for that.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's really so.
And then for in 10 days we're going to Vietnam.
Oh
Yeah.
wow,
Yeah.
our neighbors.
Yeah, exactly.
So Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, and Thailand, Vietnam is very like a family.
Yeah, it's very close. Yeah.
We also want to visit them all, but we can't. We also
Yeah.
has to work.
Yeah.
So what do you do for a year here in India? Like you
I'll
is
stay
working.
here. I'll only be there for 6 months.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
So you are here for a short, but
Yeah, because I have to go home and work.
Yeah. But she's just shopping. 6 months of shopping.
yeah, she have to collect the things for her work.
Yeah.
That's so good. You must have to open your own boutique or something. You're so good in that. When I saw you first, I was like, yeah, very good. Very good appearance. Because as a woman, I can imagine it's very difficult to do the perfect makeup.
Yeah, it is. And I cannot do it perfect. Many are so much better.
Here also, very beauticians are very famous in India because Indian bride is very different. You have seen,
Yeah.
I guess, at the wedding time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's quite difficult here.
Yeah.
Crazy.
This place is so nice.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah, but it's like the real India.
Yeah, old Delhi and the new Delhi this is the big difference
Yeah.
with the
Yeah.
people, with the crowd, and here you see more locality.
Yeah. It is definitely very nice.
Yeah, true. So this is the shoes market famous for,
Oh.
and back of this there is some glasses also.
Okay, sick.
So the shoes is just like type, not the branded one.
Hmm?
It's just like you wear and for a month, for 2 months.
And then you throw it out.
Yeah, this is the quality.
Yeah, okay. And what should the price be?
It's average, like starting from 500 to goes up the price.
Okay. Yeah.
It's good to wear if you want a regular. So wear for a month regularly.
Yeah. I bought a pair of shoes on Chapter Job.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and they are already done.
I can imagine. You would like to drink the tea?
The chai?
Yes, at the famous place?
Sure, why not?
Ruk jao.
It's here? Oops. Oh, where are we going? Is this the place? Ooh, do you have money? Jeg kan godt lige smage på det.
Det er ikke deling.
Jeg tror, hun har bestemt. Og ja. Ingen. Sick. Thank you.
Now you go there, sit there.
Oh, sorry. Aarhus takes care of everything.
It's like De havde mange skobutikker derhenne.
Shoe stores.
Du har fået din taskekasse.
I don't really have anything. So, this is famous.
Famous.
Okay.
So these are two bhai bhai. Bhai bhai means brother.
Ah, okay.
And very famous.
Okay, nice.
So chai in Delhi, masala chai is very famous.
Ja.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
And when you go to this type of local site, they are too much famous. So it's good.
Nice.
Oh yeah, I did. Oh, camera is open and it is like.
Yeah, you have to. You have to.
Nice.
Nice.
It's good.
But isn't this the main street? Isn't
This
this?
is the Chandni Chowk.
Yeah, exactly.
Chandni Chowk
Yeah.
street. And front side is the Khari Baul.
Okay.
We are going to see the Khari Baul.
And
You
that's
drop us there, then we will walk to see the market area.
spices.
Get the spices.
Nice.
We will go to see the labor chowk first.
Okay.
Then after that we go to see.
Nice. But this is good. This one is very sweet.
Ja.
Yeah. We did have some chai, but it's very different. Like some of them full of ginger, some of them are very sweet. Yeah. This one is very good.
Ja, but it's not spicy.
No, there's not much ginger in this one. Nice.
Yeah, sometimes like we have the fresh ginger, then we put the fresh ginger in that.
Yeah.
If we don't have that, then we have already mixed of the spice, which is only just we use for the masala chai.
Ah,
So
okay.
it's dry ginger, cloves, black pepper, and cinnamon, and green cardamom.
Yeah.
So like this we use to put in that the chai.
In chai? Wow. Okay.
Enhance the taste of that
Yeah. Okay.
and make it more good.
Nice. Perfect. It's not as when we were here last time. It was super busy, crazy. It was just before Diwali, and
then it is.
and it was
Just before Diwali and
Saturday night.
Saturday night at
Yeah.
6 or something.
Evening after the afternoon, it's become very crowded.
Okay. Yeah.
During the weekends more,
Yeah.
and today is weekend.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So you say we should come on a normal day
Weekdays.
before afternoon.
Look, market mainly open after 12 or 11. So there is just useless to come before 12 or before 11.
Yeah, okay.
Because if you don't see the fully market open and everything, then it's considered not worth it.
Oh, that makes sense. Sick.
And when the market opens, then the crowd will increase. Mainly the crowd at 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah.
That is the main time when you see more crowd.
Yeah. That makes sense. Sick. Ooh, you drank it all? It's not too bad.
No, it was fine.
Nice. Throw it out, all of it. Also the clay?
Yes.
Okay.
We don't reuse it.
What do I know? It just seems like a nice little...
Sometimes they take it, people take this and they grow in that the plant.
Oh, yeah.
If it is big.
Yeah, okay. The lassi cups. Yeah.
Chalo.
Cello. So do you enjoy being a guide?
Yeah, I really. So I wanted to be an international guide. So
Ah.
I want to work out of India as well.
Yeah.
In India also.
Yeah.
International.
Yeah, okay.
I do now the nationally. I do some of the Agra, Jaipur, all India.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Sick.
Is it your own company or do you work for another company?
I work for another.
Okay. And how long?
I'm doing this
Yeah.
from last 5 years.
Oh, okay.
That's quite long.
Yeah.
But not with the same company.
Okay. Okay, that makes sense.
Is it an education or do you get trained It's
There is a course for doing this. Okay. After completing the course, they will give you the training. After training, then
Thank you. Oh, Spice Market. Sick. Oops. Oh yeah. Bike, rice, scooter, of course.
बेटर नहीं नो चलो
You haven't spent any money yet.
no, but we haven't been shopping.
Don't lose her. Where is she? Oh. Oh my God. So many people. Keep pushing. God,
be careful with your things and with your.
yeah. Thank you. Holy shit, where did she go? Oh, she's right there. Oh, thank you. Oh, we can't lose her. Keep walking. Ah. God damn.
Oh, you changed the group.
Yeah, you're so fast. Yeah.
hello
No, thank you. Take one, Elizabeth. No.
So, okay, now we are going to enter to the labor chalk. Spices smell is so strong, so don't take
Oh, yeah, we heard about that. Har du et halstørklæde? Do you have a scarf? Because it can go in your throat in here. Where did she go now? She's so fast. Oh, you're so fast. It's crazy. Holy shit, man. It's not too bad, the smell. This looks sick. Nice.
Let's have a side, then I.
Okay. Namaskar.
So this is the labor chop. Okay. Right now we are at the spice market. Spice market is Asia's biggest spice market, and we are at the labor chop. So previously this labor chalk is used by the kings. He used because they make the different kind of dishes. After that the Britishers come here, then the British use this place. Okay, that's the reason why the buildings is bit similar like the British architecture. Because they use the spices and they export the spices on their own country. Okay, and we have the different type of spices which we use for the Ayurvedic purpose too. Like you have heard about already the golden milk. So the golden milk we use for the golden milk, like which is very good for the joint pain and all. So little warm milk, then in that we put the curcumin. Curcumin is different from the turmeric.
Okay.
How it is because curcumin we take it from the top of Himalayas and turmeric we take it from the ground.
Okay.
That's the big difference. So in that we used to put the curcumin, then in that the little bit of saffron. This is how we do that.
Okay.
Okay, let's take a round.
Yeah, we'll try and keep up.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, damn, that's crazy.
दो आदमी खड़ा है माल एक ही चला
Oh shit.
Here you notice that there are lots of males are here.
Yeah.
The reason why there is no woman. So here there are lots of workers, labor. The labor market, labor chalk is just only for the laborers. Labor's work only done by the males, not by the females. Females are mostly the buyers.
Oh, okay.
That's
Yeah. That makes sense.
I guess it's
Oh.
meeting clients, so later I can go to your shop.
Oh.
so here you can see the difference with the shape.
Yeah.
This one, the circle one is the curcumin and the long one is for the turmeric.
Oh, okay. Big difference.
पाँच बोरी इसमें डाल ले बाकी उसमें डाल लें
पाँच कोई बात नहीं पहले हम 5 बोरी तो गिराऊं
There are smells here I've never smelled in my life.
Yeah.
It smells very special in here. Yeah. Yeah. It's not a bad smell.
बता रहा है
Hello. Hello.
वो क्या हाल है?
Here, he will explain to you about it.
Oh yeah.
Namaste.
Namaste.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine, sir. Try this Indian cinnamon.
For eating or for smelling?
Chew. When you chew, it turns to sweet.
Oh yeah, but also very spicy.
White tea. 200 रुपए किलो.
You can eat this.
अरे वो हेलो
Oh my god.
सारी ऊपर से तिल
सफेद तिल. It's sweet. And this
ले 1 किलो लिया
cinnamon, we use it for rice, for meat, for chicken.
अरे
When
उससे
we
लिया
make masala chai,
काशीनाथ से
we chew.
भाग के जा दौड़ के आ।
Okay.
Nutmegs.
Oh yeah.
This one is maize, flour of nutmegs.
Ooh.
When you cook with this, your 7th neighbor would know that you cook something special. Cloves.
So try some
nice.
cinnamon.
Cardamom. It's for rice, for meat, for chicken. When we make masala chai.
शांति निकेतन पता है किधर है?
शांति नगर हाँ पता है
कहाँ शांति नगर नहीं शांति निकेतन
शांति निकेतन ये सफदरजंग के पास.
नहीं जी वेस्ट बंगाल में एक जगह है रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर ने बनाया है.
अच्छा आप दिल्ली के नहीं हो?
मैं सीआर पार्क में रहती हूँ.
अच्छा सीआर पार्क तो ये आईएनए के पास. Cumin.
मुझे नहीं चाहिए इंडियन दालचीनी मैं रोज
Good one.
खाना
Smells like pulled pork.
cinnamon
Black pepper.
an Indian
White
cinnamon like
pepper.
some sweet
Long pepper. This one for fried.
nutmeg
While cooking you
you
can
can see make
sprinkle.
ground this is nutmeg is
Telecherry is the best
some
pepper
base
of the
flour
world.
cooking
It's
also
not
like for
spicy.
chicken meat rice and like nice
Turmeric.
smell.
प्राइमरी
This one is curcumin.
Yeah.
Turmeric for cooking, curcumin for drinking. In India we drink golden milk, so it's lukewarm milk with curcumin and saffron.
for like about 1 person 2 person biryani.
and some cloves
ये रोज बिरयानी बनाते
okay and this is like
Oh yeah.
tea,
Oh yeah.
बिहार
cooking baking everything.
Coriander.
Cloves
Show me your hand.
and cardamom green cardamom we like for
Taste it.
cooking only.
What's this?
Black salt.
Only just
Oh, that's the. I can smell it already.
cumin.
It tastes like hard-boiled eggs because
Yes.
it's really very good for digestion.
It definitely smells like hard-boiled eggs. If you boiled them in fat.
Smell some teas now. Oh, mango tea.
Start with
Oh wow.
sometimes in kitchens it's very common for us to
Masala chai, which you have it with milk.
Oh yeah.
add
Yeah.
powder dhania also yes to add into the curry.
Mango and
The
lychee.
curry powder that you
Very good with iced tea.
have like all of this mixed together.
Indian jasmine. Flowers of jasmine with green tea. Back home you will get Chinese and Japanese.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Smells like a hotel in India.
India best pepper in the world.
Lemongrass.
Curry pepper.
Is raghuvi tea.
It's more flavorful.
Good for insomnia.
तीखी नहीं होती.
But smells
Mint. आजो आजो आप. इधर से जाओ.
Oh yeah. We in the way.
It's English breakfast. Champagne of India. No milk, no sugar.
Champagne.
White tea. White tea is caffeine free. More antioxidants than green tea. Very good for migraine, headache.
sea butter. That's from the mountain.
Blue tea. Blue tea for cancer, tumors, anti-ulcers, anti-fatigue. Very good for brain function. Saffron. Saffron from Kashmir.
Oh yeah.
Saffron we use it in rice, meat, chicken, and in the night we can drink with warm milk. It's really very good for inflammation.
Okay.
So if you like it, any.
Oh yeah. Do you want anything? You don't want? No. Okay. Yeah, I think we're good.
The egg flavor. It tastes like egg.
Confused.
Why does this taste like egg?
Confused.
Story of my life.
What are the prices for?
360, 380 different.
Okay, okay, yeah.
Very healthy.
Spicy, simple meaning. These are the flowers of this nasi.
Oh, okay.
Do you want some spice?
For the immunity,
Spicy, you can say masala.
of the dish.
Masala means mix in some like some little Indian curry. ये आपका तिल आ गया?
Hvad er det der? Sådan noget otte der købt, der bare blev muggen med det samme.
Nej, det tror jeg. Det tror jeg. I think this one is good. Which one is this?
Spicy.
Spicy curry. Yeah, okay.
Every day, like for vegetarian, like for non-vegetarian.
For 15 minutes, they are with this.
And it's for what?
I'll have some. I'll buy some.
Do you like some tandoori chicken tikka masala for barbecue?
Yeah. Can I have one of these? And this?
Butter chicken.
Because I can buy it for my friend.
Gifts.
Biryani masala. Yeah, of course.
You can try some ghost chilies.
Oh yeah, but that's way too spicy.
You can try meat masala.
Meat masala. Ah. But what?
Garam masala is very commonly used.
Yeah. I think. What did I have?
Like
Biryani.
some mango tea, jasmine tea.
Not for me. But where can I see which one it is?
This is biryani.
Oh yeah,
for
it
rice.
says that. Okay, yeah.
For tandoori chicken tikka, butter chicken.
Butter chicken. Okay, nice. I think I need some normal. Where is the normal curry? This one and spicy curry.
Togri de do.
These are the cumin seeds.
Fine, I'll take these 5 packs. Yeah, it's for friends and family. No, it's for 1 week. I'll eat all this.
Can you buy yours? I'll buy mine.
You'll buy mine, yeah.
I'm on a mission.
Masala chai.
There is no need to go to the
Ingredients are most different.
Yeah.
Ingredients are all these spices, but the ratio is different.
Oh yeah, okay.
Come later. This is good for the skin. In India, we have custom, we use it.
Ghost chili.
On our skin, like rice. Yes, we do.